310 North MLK.
Inside the Valero.
Inside the Valero.
Wasn't even really just looking for no face, but I came in the club had to get the ATM, and I seen that they had it was open, and I asked the lady up there, I was like, well, is this for rent or whatever? And she was like, yeah. So I gave my number, and the man called me like the same day, and that's how I had this.
Okay.
Yeah.
I bet that sounds cool.
Alright, cool. Do your thing and show off. Everything. Oh.
That's how this usually goes. Everybody gotta be in their vibe.
Yeah. A lot of people camera. We got the wings and we got the crazy fries. So
Let's go.
okay. Yo. That's the hot lemon pepper wing.
Okay. Gang. Did y'all just see that? Home? Watch this. Watch closely. Really good.
So you serious? Like you mean for real?
Like I mean for real, it's really good.
Okay. So y'all try one of those wings too.
All right. Which one? This one right here?
That's the honey special sriracha.
Gang. I will give the first one, which is called, what is it?
Hot lemon pepper. I mean hot lemon pepper.
I like those. 10. I'll make 10. These, the texture was amazing. 9. Like a 9.9.
You gotta try the fries.
I'm ready. Keep it going.
Do you?
So we got 10 and 9, gang. Let's go. Fries.
I told y'all they the best in town. The best in my way. My big.
So where they located? 310 North MLK.
Inside the Valero.
Inside the Valero.
Yum.
What'd you say?
I said yum.
Keep going, bro. Got to.
Okay.
I'm coming back.
This is the club sandwich.
This is the one that made me want to come up and do a promo on my.
All right, listen, guys. I don't eat mayonnaise.
So they don't have no mayonnaise on here.
Okay.
I put it dry.
Okay, come on.
Okay, bet.
Let's try it. All right, Brad, that was.
And you don't eat no spaghetti either.
Christian Deshawn said, "I'm so proud of you. So happy for
Thank
you."
you.
I don't even. I like that. Gang.
Yum. Y'all come
So
get y'all
so what
some.
what was the name of the item again? Like club sandwiches?
Okay, that's the club sandwich. It got ham and turkey.
Could you show that for the audience real quick, please?
Okay.
Pretty please. Thank you so much. Wow, like look at that. That is good. It looks like baby shower food.
Yeah.
For sure.
It is,
Actually,
and-
you do catering?
Yes, we do. We do catering all the time.
Okay,
And
bet.
that's the burger, wings, and fries. You don't want to try. You don't want to get on camera and try it.
Oh, like, you see what I'm doing right now. I'm double camera. Like I'm on this camera with the other camera.
You can try fry. We can record you. That you try fry.
Not this.
You
Not
gonna
this.
be in the background.
Not this. I don't have no haircut right now. I ain't got no retwist.
Okay. Look at him. Look, you got a record.
Damn, man. Why you got your back turned? Like the food ain't going nowhere, bro.
No.
He eating all the sandwiches. You gotta try one before you eat it all.
Damn, man.
Yeah.
Go ahead, one.
So, okay, so what you rate the sandwiches?
10.
A 10?
Flawless.
Okay.
Action.
Yo. Kraziest Kitchen. Okay.
How you feeling about it?
Oh, yeah, baby. Oh.
You need something to drink? Need some water.
You need some water, y'all?
Honestly and personally, I'm gonna keep it a buck with you. The texture, perfect. Homemade type of energy. I would just slap a little bit of barbecue sauce at the bottom. I kind of like wet it up. I give it like a softer kind of vibe. But it is good. I'll give it a 9.5 only because a little bit of salt.
A little bit of
You know what I'm saying?
Alright.
But you can put that shit on yourself, right?
I can take that.
Right?
Put it on yourself.
Well, she got the squirter too. Like 3, 2, 1, action. Alright.
There you go.
That's it.
Alright, there you go.
That's it right there. Hold on now. Done. Beautiful smash burger.
Oh, alright.
Damn, what the hell wrong with you, bro?
Okay.
Where you got that shit from?
Kraziest Kitchen.
Where's that at?
Kraziest Kitchen? Hey, right there.
For real?
Yeah. Hey, brother. You want a wing? Yeah, boy.
That chicken, man. Thank you, my nigga.
Man, you're welcome, brother. Do you know where that came from? Came from Kraziest Kitchen right there.
Hey, man.
How long, brother?
Go with him.
In there.
That way.
That way.
That fucking way all day.
Oh,